Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE Trail Edition. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in black. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails with those crossbars, and power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside the RAV and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This RAV does have a SmartKey system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. And take a look in the door first. On the bottom you have some storage space. Above it are your power windows and locks. Next to the door you have your lighting options, lane departure assist, steering wheel, heated steering wheel button, and your power mirrors. Equipped with black cloth seating, and on the bottom are your power seating adjustment buttons. But now why don't we head inside, start this RAV up. It's a push to start, foot on the brake, press that engine start button right there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here you have your volume options, hands-free calling, and this cluster right here will just help you navigate through your entertainment display right in the center. You also have your voice recognition system underneath. On the right, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display right in the center there. And that does also show that this RAV has 24,184 kilometers on it. Lastly, behind the wheel, you do have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our entertainment display, right now we are in trip information. You can see all your past records. If we go audio, I'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, nice and clear. Down to our climate control system. It is a dual zone system, so you can control the temperatures on both sides. Underneath, you have your different drive modes, driver and passenger heated seats, USB auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, some storage compartments, a cup holder, another cup holder, center console. You got this nice little shelf up top. Speaking of shelves, we have another one right there. You can put some phones, cables, wallet, and center console. Comes with your owner's manual, plenty of space in there as well. Just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats. Behind the two front seats you do have these nice little pockets for some extra storage. In the center here, if we pull this down, you do have two cup holders and an armrest right in the center there. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this third button on the key fob and that power liftgate will open on its own. Taking a look inside, there's plenty of cargo space in this RAV. The Trail Edition does come with this nice little rubber piece so you, to protect against any harsh objects you might be carrying. Of course, we have the folding seats that do go down. That'll give you some extra cargo space. Underneath here, if we pull this up, you do have your spare tire and your tools in case that ever goes. So to close up, all you got to do is just press this button right up top and the power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE Trail Edition. Once again, some of those great interior features include your power adjustable heated seats, backup camera, hands-free calling, and Bluetooth audio. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.